Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic in our channel. Guess what? Yes, another farming video. In this video, we are going to discuss how to protect our crops from wild boars. Wild boars? Yes, you heard right. It's wild boars. Wild boars are very dangerous. They can spoil and damage all our crops such as paddy, groundnut, sugarcane, and corn, and many more. So let's discuss how to protect our crops from wild boars and keep them away from our fields. Yes, it's possible. So recently I had gone through an article in Hindu dated 2015, but it was interesting. So when I started digging into it, I found out there is a bio yes, there is a bio product which has been developed by Agricultural Institute from Vellore district, Tamil Nadu, or they can call it as a Krishi Vignana Kendra KVK. So they have developed a bio product to keep these wild boars away from our paddy fields or any other crops. Let's discuss what are the raw materials required for keeping those wild boars away from our fields. Yeah. Firstly, we need poles, either it might be wooden or iron poles up to 3 feet height, which has to be boundaried across our fields. Likewise, you can see on the screen. Also, it should be so deepened as a wild boars or any other external force should not uproot it. Yeah, it's done. Let's go across the field to view the poles. These are paddy fields which is grown organically without any form of chemicals applied to it. You can see all the poles are approximately 3 to 4 feet in a length and 1.5 feet below the ground, and the above it resides around 2 feet. Let's move to next step. So we have to bind a GI wire which is 16 or 18 gauge thickness above 1.5 feet from the ground level. You can see it now. So approximately it has 1.5 feet from the ground level. So we have to tighten it as it should have a strong temper. It should not be loosened either ways. Yeah, so I'm testing it. You can see it. So now we have to extend it till the other end, which is the last pole. So we are doing it one by one. Yeah, but across all the areas, so we have to maintain the same 1.5 feet height from the ground level. You can see it, 1.5 feet it is. He is adjusting for the height as well as for the temper. Same temper has to be maintained across the fields. Yeah. So let's take a view. So we have completed almost 20% of the work now. Yeah, so we have completed binding that GI wire across our fields. Yeah, so next step is how to use that bio material. Yes, So for that purpose we need some small plastic bottles like this, as you can see on the screen. Yeah, so what we are going to do is we are going to fill those bio material into this plastic bottle, and we are going to suspend on the string or a GI wire which we have bounded across our fields. Yes, so how it works here. So we have a small hole on top of the plastic bottle, you can see it. Yeah, so once we fill those material into it, so it will start mixing in the air and it will start so the liquid starts reacting into the air, and it can generate an odor that can keep those wild boars away from our fields. Yes, it is possible. That's what the article says in Hindu. And I have inquired personally. I have visited agriculture office, and I brought those liquid from them. Yes. So we are going to fill those bio liquid into it. So each bottle will have 5 to 10 ml of fillings in it. That is sufficient for almost 3 to 4 months of time. Yeah, yes. And after this we are going to suspend with the help of these strings or thread. Yeah, you can see we are filling into the bottles. Yeah, so almost 5 to 10 ml. So we have a measuring cup. So we have filled 5 to 10 ml approximately, like more than 5 ml, less than 10 ml into each bottle. Yes. So once we fill all those, we'll tighten with the cap, and we'll start yeah, so we are taking time to fill because it has to be measured and it has not to be wasted. Yeah, it's very thick, and even I touched into my bare hands, and it was smelly but not giving any kind of allergic reactions. Yeah, so I have tested it. It's very thick and in a different order. Yeah, so we have almost used all those bottles. Yeah, so we have done with the fillings, and now we are going to take these bottles to our field, and we are going to suspend on the string which we have laid it. So how it should be, like it should be a distance of 10 feet from one bottle to other bottle. That is, in between two poles we have to suspend this bottle. It should be an interval of 10 feet from one to one. You can see the poles are placed at an equal distance of 10 feet from one to one, and these bottled biomaterial are suspended from the string at a 1.5 feet, which we have already discussed, and you can have a view on it. So it's a very it's a sunny day here, so it's around 39 degrees Celsius. So it has been more than 1 month now, and we didn't see any of the wild boar crossing this fence or coming near to this fence. So hope it should be protective for our paddy field. Thank you for watching, guys. Let's catch up in another video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.